We are here now in old Borjumi. Ayan, bokal. Pwede na siya inumin. Bokal yung water.
We try.
Then we will try. Ito try natin lakaran yung 200 years old hanging bridge. Alright guys. Tumatawid tayo sa hanging bridge. Alright. Start the adventures of Ladrillo family. Yo, what's up Renzo? Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. It's Mega Renzo Vlog. And for today's video, day 5 ng ating tour dito sa Georgia guys. Alright, samahan nyo kami guys. Let's go! Mr. Banu, our tourist guide.
Take picture, video, everything. Very nice place. After come here. Off-road inside for 2 kilometers. Safety, no problem, slowly, okay. After walking, 50, maximum 17 meter walking. Look, nice place, take picture, video, everything, okay? If you want washroom,
yes.
Now, with my driver, go washroom, city, okay. From here 500 meter, okay. Washroom, after go forest. Okay.
Pang hammer lang talaga makakapasok dito. See, dumudulas. Kaya pang extreme ride. Yes. Tumatawid tayo sa bangin. Bumusok yung bibig ko guys. May konting snowfall. Ewan ko lang kung nakikita nyo rin. Hindi yata clear sa video. Our little vlogger, Clay.
Ano dong? Sabi mo? Freshwater torrents.
Opo. Salty na siya ngayon.
Salty na ngayon.
This old wall.
Ah, this one.
Yes, look. This is castle.
Castle, yeah.
Old city, Borjumi.
Ah, old city of Borjumi.
This castle is a church, yeah?
Yeah.
Come. Look.
Yes, I see the castle. Upstairs. Start the adventures of Ladrillo family.
Ayun lang, umuulan na siya ng clicks, oh.
Umuulan na siya, unti-unti.
Go up.
There's a river. And there's a hanging bridge. We are here now in old Borjumi. Old Borjumi. Nasa tuktok ng bundok guys. Ang old Borjumi. It's a big rock. Guys, this is 200 years old bridge, hanging bridge. Here in Borjumi, old Borjumi. 200 years old hanging bridge. Alright guys, tumatawid tayo sa hanging bridge. Alright. At may snowfall ng bahagya. May snowfall konti. Ayan. Kung napapansin nyo, kung nakikita nyo sa video, may konting snowfall guys. Alright, tara. Testingin natin. Punta tayo dun. Look at that guys. Ayun yung castle na sinasabi nila. Matandang castle na yun nandun. Ito raw yung old Borjumi. Siguro yung mga kanilang mga ninuno dito pa dati nakatira. Actually merong release ng trend doon guys. Pero hindi na siya gumagana ngayon. Sa sobrang katagalan siguro hindi na rin ginagamit. Snowfall. Little bit snowfall. Doon malakas yung snowfall oh. Sa kabila.
Water, 5-star hotel. Go.
It's going to hotel. Yeah, this water.
This
And
water
they
is
bring-
clean.
Yeah.
But your will you right there.
No, Dalio.
알아.
This is drinking water. We will try. This is clean water.
Yes, this is good. This car.
This is clean water guys. Pwede rin siyang inumin. So itatry natin inumin. Alright. Masarap, para siyang mineral water. Delicious. Yeah.
Patikin natin kay Ian. Dong! Pa mo yan! Clay, anak.
Ayan, bokal. Pwede rin siya inumin. Bokal yung water.
Matamis, Dong?
Good.
We try. Then we will try.
Walang lasa, no?
Mineral water.
Mineral.
Talaga? Sure ka? Painom nga.
Kampay, kampay.
Lay, diyan ka lang ha!
Kampay.
Sikla yan.
Hati na kayo dyan. Nagbablog na si Clea.
Ang lamig.
Bokal yan, bokal.
Nak, baka mahuwakbang si Clea. Isang step lang niya magkakamali si Clea.
Kaya lang, Clay.
Clea, don't move.
Gini. Gini ko to net.
This is still working, this one?
No, it's not working.
Not working. And that is our little vlogger. Alright, nandito tayo sa Borjumi Park guys. Tingnan natin yung kanilang Borjumi Park. Alright, bali, ang entrance nila dito guys sa Borjomi Park is 5 lari. Ito ang kanilang park. Borjomi Park. Borjomi Park. Dito tayo sa Borjomi Park, guys. Ito yung sinasabi nilang mineral water na medyo may amoy siya, guys. May amoy. Tsaka hindi raw siya ganun kasarap. Pero mineral water siya. Tapos maganda raw sa katawan. Yung mga tao raw dito, araw-araw daw silang umiinom dito. No, ibukas mo yung gripo ka, Ed. Tatry po ni ka, Ed. Para... Alright, thank you guys for watching and sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa inyong panonood. Sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button at ang ating notification bell para lagi po kayo updated sa ating mga bagong video. Alright, see you all guys on my next vlog. Renzo Vlog is signing off. Yes sir.